If Fotor is giving you an image loading error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your image uploaded and editing again as quickly as possible. This is especially helpful if your file is not opening, keeps spinning, shows a blank canvas, or just refuses to load inside Fotor. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and how-to guides. Let's start with the first and most important check: your image format, file size, and resolution. A lot of photo loading problems happen because the file itself is not in the right format, or it is simply too large for the browser or app to handle smoothly. Fotor works best with common file types like JPG, PNG, and WEBP. If you are trying to upload a raw camera file like CR2 or NEF, a vector file like SVG, or a layered design file like PSD, Fotor may fail to load it properly. In that case, convert the file to a standard JPG or PNG first. Also check the file size. If the image is larger than 20 MB, it may cause instability during upload or editing. Try compressing the file or exporting a smaller version. And if your image is extremely high resolution, especially above 10,000 by 10,000 pixels, that can trigger memory issues as well. Resizing the image before uploading can make a huge difference. So if your image won't load, start here, because this single step solves a lot of cases. Next, if you are using Fotor in a web browser, try toggling hardware acceleration. This is one of those fixes that sounds technical, but it is actually pretty simple and can help when browser graphics processing is causing the issue. Fotor uses your computer's graphics system to display image layers and editing elements, and sometimes that creates a WebGL or rendering bottleneck. If you are on Chrome, you can open the browser settings and go to Chrome/Settings System, then look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it is turned on, switch it off and relaunch the browser. If it is already off, try turning it back on instead, because different systems behave differently. After changing the setting, fully restart the browser and try loading the image again in Fotor. This small adjustment can often fix blank loading screens, freezing, and display errors. Now, let's move on to another very common cause: extensions, VPNs, and custom DNS settings. These can interfere with the way Fotor connects to its cloud processing services. If you use ad blockers or privacy extensions like uBlock Origin or AdGuard, they may be blocking scripts that Fotor needs in order to process uploaded images. Try pausing those extensions on Fotor.com, then refresh the page and test again. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Fotor relies on cloud servers for many of its editing features, and a VPN can sometimes disrupt that connection. The same goes for custom DNS tools that may be filtering requests in the background. If disabling these tools fixes the problem, you will know the issue was network related rather than a problem with Fotor itself. If the image still refuses to load, the next step is to re-upload it into a new project or convert the image again from scratch. Sometimes the problem is not the file alone, but a corrupted project state inside Fotor. If you are reopening an old draft or a saved canvas and the image keeps failing, start a brand new blank project instead. That gives Fotor a clean workspace and can bypass whatever issue was stored in the old project. If that still doesn't work, open the original image in your computer's default viewer, like Windows Photos or Mac Preview, then export or save it again as a fresh JPG. This creates a new version of the file and often clears out hidden metadata or corruption that may be causing the loading error. After that, upload the new file into Fotor and test it again. In many cases, that fresh export is the fix that finally gets everything working. So to quickly recap, if Fotor is showing an image loading error, first check the file format, size, and resolution. Then try toggling hardware acceleration in your browser. After that, disable extensions, VPNs, and custom DNS tools that might be interfering. And if needed, re-upload the image into a new project or convert it into a fresh JPG or PNG file. Work through those steps one by one, and you should be able to solve most Fotor loading issues without wasting time guessing. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want help with another Fotor issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.